Hello guys, Victor here is back with another video. Today I'll be teaching you all how to create a basic YouTube thumbnail in Adobe Photoshop. What you want to do first is go File and press New, and the thumbnail resolution is the width is 1920 and the height is 1080 and the resolution can be 72, and the color mode can be RGB color, and the color mode is 8-bit or 16-bit. So 8-bit is enough for a thumbnail. It should be pixels, and click OK. And now the second thing what you need to do is to go File and place your image. The two ways of placing the image: you can drag your image into Photoshop, and or else you can place embedded, but some of the Photoshop doesn't actually allow you all to do it, which is quite sucking. So it just sucks. So what I'm going to do is go this PC, go where my file is held. I'm going to import the image. So this is the image what I'm going to be importing. So it's done. Mine, of course you can import it like dragging it to the Photoshop, but it's just a quicker way to do it. So yes, it's done. Now what you need to do is to go for black and white, and go for the default preset and change it to maximum black. You can also have for maximum white, but I'm going to go with maximum black because it's quite convenient to me. Yeah, and you would have thought why my thumbnail really looked like this, the PNG file. It's all because I have changed my preferences. So go preferences of transparency and camera. Here you can change your transparent settings, where you can give it for light and medium color. So that's just your wish. I'm just having in a medium color. It's just about you're free to choose anything. It doesn't affect your quality and anything. So yeah, straight to the topic. Now we're going to open up a new layer. I'm going to use 3 colors for this, 3 or 2 colors, which is really useful for this. So I'm going to grab my brush tool. So maybe my brush tool is going to be like 1500, 1600, so it's quite really fine. First of all, I'm going to go with a lighter blue color. So I just want you guys to choose really a color that really blends with your image, because some color which doesn't blend with your image, you cannot really use it. Like white and black doesn't really blends with the image like that. So I'm going to place this into the edge, something like this, and actually I'm going to increase the size of it like this just to blend more onto the layer. And I'm going to open another new layer and also add another color like pink. Yeah, no, not pink, like yellow. Pink maybe a minor segment out on this picture, so darker yellow, yeah, something like this. And I'll give it like not like that, it's kind of weird, something like this. Ctrl T, resize it like this. It looks more nice. And for this edge, I'm just gonna give pink to it. Like if you need it, you can also give pink to it if you want, but yeah, I'm just gonna give like pink to it, like this pink somewhere around here, and resize it and just make it more blending with the converted picture. And yeah, it's done. Maybe you can also duplicate this and also press Ctrl T, flip this horizontal and put it somewhere here. If it really looks cool to you, if you really like the way which is really present, so then you can also put it there. But 3 colors is actually more than enough for me, so I'm just gonna delete this. If I want, I can. If I would like to, then at last we can change it. It's not a problem. So next what we are gonna be doing is now we are done with the layers, I think. So we're gonna put these layers into a group, and the group you can name it layers, so I'm just gonna leave it like group. So now I'm gonna go with curves. You're gonna adjust it. So this right here, you're gonna pull it down so makes the blacks aggressive, and put the whites up so the white looks more more vibrant and just shows off more. And then we're gonna go for brightness and contrast, and increase the brightness of the thumbnail and also contrast of the thumbnail. It might just increase your just give some exposure to your image. You can also go for exposure, increase the exposure not that much, and also decrease the offset, I mean not that much, like really in a minor way, and increase, no, not even, just don't mess up with the gamma correction. So it's just gonna be like that. So sorry, yeah, so it's done. So now what I'm going to do is go for vibrance. Then increase the vibrance. It will obviously have a part in your thumbnail. This might increase the quality of your thumbnail, because you can see when I increase the saturation, it really blowing up. The image is really looking cool. So now I think we're done. We're gonna go color balance and just go for the blue like this, the magenta like this, and the yellow like this, maybe reddish. Yeah, I'm just going like that. I'm kind of okay with it. So I'm gonna put this all into a group, so like that, Ctrl G, so now or everything is in the group. So now you can see the real effect are really brought up from the adjustment layers. It could even really give an awesome effect in your Photoshop designs. So yeah, it's done. So now what we are gonna do is we are gonna just put some white effects. We're gonna go for layers, white effects, white in the top. So we're gonna make a new layer, go for the brush, and make this white color, and have some, just reduce the size of your brush, something like around 1300 or something like this. So guys, now it's actually a very simple process. What you need to do is, after finishing everything, or after having a clean lighting effect, so now it's done. Now we're gonna add some text. Actually, I have my text here. I'm just gonna switch on the layer visibility. I'm sorry because I've actually forgotten and I paused my recording, so I couldn't get that part off, but it's just simple, nothing more. It's just the lighting part that we really forgot. So that's done with it. And now the last thing what we are going to do is to go for group 2, which is the adjustments, and I have the hue and saturation here, which I turned the thumbnail to look like this. So actually I'm going to show you guys how I did this. I'm going to go for hue and saturation, and being on that, I'm going to adjust my key so that I can get the best one. So this is the one which I used. So you can just, these gradients are looking really good, so you can use this key just to take it, roam around with this hue and saturation, so you can get the best gradients to your thumbnails. That's all. So it's just simple, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. More than that, I'm going to be giving away this template for absolutely free, so the link is in the description. So at last, what you can do is just to organize this, for example, like kind of organizing this is putting this group. So if you have to really find out, if you have to find out which is the adjustment layer, you can give one color for this, like violet, and give this like yellow, and now you would know which is the adjustment layer and which is the layers, the normal layer, coloring editing layers. So you can really do stuff like that. So it looks really perfect and looks well more organized than what it could be. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Hopefully you did enjoy this video and got a lot of tips from this video. So if you can also share this video and subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate that. So this is being Vector Graphics, and see you guys as soon as possible.